Imagine what if the future of the entire world was already in the process of construction. In this video, we are going to uncover the 10 biggest megaprojects due to be finished in 2025, engineering marvels that will transform our cities and society. 10. Kavda Solar Park, India. The world's biggest hybrid green energy park is almost finished being built in India. It will power millions of people and change the way the country gets its energy. The 30 GW Kavda Solar Park will be built in Gujarat, close to the border with Pakistan. It will be a huge center that uses both solar and wind power. The proposal of the park was approved by the government of Gujarat on 9 September 2020. $1 GW capacity was commissioned in March 2024. The park is huge, 726 square kilometers, which is about the size of Singapore, and will be able to power about 18 million homes. The $2 billion project is a huge step towards clean energy, and it could start making money as early as the third quarter of 2025. Amazingly large, the Kavda Solar Park can be seen from space. It will be one of the biggest buildings of its kind in the world, and an important part of India's push for renewable energy. When it's done, it will show that India is serious about making the world greener. 9. JP Morgan Chase Building, New York City. When it opens in 2025, the JP Morgan Chase Building in New York City will permanently change the skyline of the city. This huge project will cost $3 billion and cost 423 meters. This skyscraper at 270 Park Avenue will be the new world headquarters for JP Morgan Chase. It will be a big step forward in the history of the city. The development of the building has been a sight to see, and its tallest part will be finished in February 2024. The building is only the 6th tallest in the world, but its unique form and prime location in the middle of Manhattan make it sure to stand out. The building's sleek exterior and high-end innards are getting their finishing touches right now. The JP Morgan Chase Building will not only be a center for global banking, but it will also be a lasting reminder of how well-built buildings can be in New York. 8. The Guggenheim Abu Dhabi. Famed architect Frank Gehry created the Guggenheim Abu Dhabi, which will be a major culture center when it opens in 2025. It will be 42,000 square meters, bigger than the famous Guggenheim Bilbao and the biggest of the Guggenheim museums. This museum will be on Saadiyat Island and will have a wide range of modern and current art from West Asia, North Africa, and South Asia. Wanasa. Maratera's unique design includes asymmetrical cones that look like traditional wind towers and help the building cool down and breathe naturally. This big project will not only improve Abu Dhabi's culture scene, but it will also be a place where artists from around the world can talk and learn from each other. 7. Jamuna Railway Bridge. The Jamuna Railway Bridge, which used to be called the Bangabandhu Railway Bridge, is a big project in Bangladesh that will connect more train lines. The Japanese International Cooperation Agency, JICA, paid for the dual-gauge, double-track bridge. It will cut journey times between Dhaka and the north by up to 2 hours. There are direct paths from Southeast Asia to Northwest Europe that go over the bridge. It is part of the Asian Highway and the Trans-Asian Railway. The winning idea from the British Design Council will make rail services in the UK better and connect areas more easily. There will be more freight and tourist traffic on the bridge because it has a 7.6-kilometer approach embankment and several viaducts. Once the bridge is finished, it will be a big step forward in Bangladesh's railway development. 6. The European Spallation Source, ESS. With partial operations starting in 2025, the European Spallation Source, ESS, will become the world's most powerful neutron source. This innovative neutron generator in Lund, Sweden, will use advanced spallation techniques for cutting-edge scientific research. The ESS hopes to attract 2,000-3,000 researchers each year to provide unique atomic-level material property insights with 13 European governments' investment. This center will boost medical, environmental, and energy efficiency research, possibly leading to zero-loss electric conductors and targeted drug delivery systems. The ESS's opening marks a major advance in worldwide scientific collaboration and innovation, placing Europe at the forefront of neutron research. 5. Navi Mumbai International Airport, NMIA. The April 17, 2025 launch of Navi Mumbai International Airport, NMIA, would transform Indian air travel. A $2 billion megaproject is intended to enhance and increase capacity to 90 million by 2032. Continuing with transport infrastructure, Phase 1 will open with a single runway with a capacity of 20 million passengers. passengers annually. The airport intends to reduce congestion at Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, improving connectivity and tourism. NMIA will revolutionize travel and economic growth in the Mumbai metropolitan region, with domestic flights starting in May 2025 and international services in July. It will also demonstrate India's commitment to modern infrastructure. 4. Shura Island. When it opens in 2025, Shura Island, which is the main part of the Red Sea project, will change the way people experience luxury tourism in Saudi Arabia. 11 world-class hotels from well-known names like Four Seasons, Raffles, and Jumeirah will be built on this beautiful island, giving visitors an experience they will never forget. Along with high-end hotels, Shura Island will have an 18-hole championship golf course, a marina with 118 slips, and lively beach clubs. All of these features are meant to fit in with the island's stunning natural beauty. The development puts an emphasis on sustainability and wants to bring in travelers from around the world who want to experience high-end accommodation in beautiful natural settings. Shura Island is part of Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 plan to become a top spot for relaxation and excitement. 3. Queen's Wharf. Brisbane's Queen's Wharf megaproject will change the city's skyline and way of life. The first private tower will open to the public in early 2025. The 64-story Queen's Wharf Residences, which has a total height of 242 meters and 667 luxurious apartments, is part of this huge $3.6 billion building. In addition to homes, Queen's Wharf will become a lively place for fun and relaxation, with hotels, a casino, and a variety of restaurants. The project aims to bring in more than 1.4 million extra people each year, which will have a huge impact on the local economy and tourism. As Brisbane gets ready for the 2032 Olympics, Queen's Wharf promises to change the way people live in cities by providing a unique mix of modern conveniences and rich culture experiences. This will make it a must-see place for both locals and tourists. 2. Kuwait International Airport, KIA. With the opening of the new Terminal 2 at Kuwait International Airport, KIA, in 2025, the megaproject is set to improve the flying world. The big goal of this project is to serve 25 million people a year, which will make Kuwait a much more important regional air hub. The ultra-modern airport will cover 750,000 square meters and have 28 gates, including ones for the Airbus A380, 120 check-in desks, and advanced systems for handling bags. It was made to be environmentally friendly. It aims for LEED Gold approval and uses cutting-edge energy solutions like solar panels. The project also includes a new third runway and better facilities to make sure operations run smoothly, even though the weather in Kuwait is tough. As KIA gets ready for its change, it claims to give travelers comfort and connectivity that have never been seen before. This will start a new era in Gulf aviation. 1. Melbourne Metro Tunnel. The Melbourne Metro Tunnel will transform the city's train system in 2025. This massive project will improve Melbourne's transport with 5 new tube stops and 9 kilometers of twin tunnels. The tunnel will ease travel between Sunbury, Cranbourne, and Pakenham. People can go from Sunbury to Cranbourne without changing trains. The project will include high-capacity signaling. This will boost peak-hour train frequency and rail capacity. Modernity and sustainability guided metro tunnel construction. It aims to reduce CBD traffic and provide direct access to Parkville and St. Kilda Road. As part of urban growth, it will revolutionize Melbourne's public transit, making it faster and easier for everyone to commute to work. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.